Alright, so I got my R500 here, and this little guy had a right rear ABS CSP light on, so I took my scanner, went in there and found that the right rear wheel needed to be taken off so I can inspect the this guy right here. This is the right rear wheel speed sensor. So this is just a little thing that goes about from here, runs along right there, comes along back over here and connects to this connector right here. Very simple. You just push on this guy and pull and release it. So I went on like Amazon, got a little kit. It's very inexpensive. I don't know the exact price. It was like under a few bucks, like 30 bucks or something for all four. So I'm just gonna pop these in. This is the one I need. They're interchangeable from side to side. And that should fix my problem, because the live feed I was getting from my scanner just showed no movement from this wheel only. I'm also going to be doing a video shortly on how to replace these. These are the struts that hold the liftgate open on an 06. The later ones had exterior ones that were much easier to replace, but I'll show you what this looks like when they're installed. Alright, so I got it installed. You can see you got my little, once you get that E-Torx, it's an E10 bolt out. Socket looks just like that. And then you can just swap that out, reroute it into its proper clips, and just reseat it, and you should be good. And this guy you want to be careful of, because it has this kind of special clip. It actually slides off like side to side like that. It doesn't just pull out of like one of those tree clips. So something to be mindful of. If it breaks, then of course you can just zip tie it to the control arm or something. But just want to make that quick video to show that. You want to clear your code and you should be good to go.